Good morning. It is Saturday, February 21st. The past few days, when people were talking about, oh, how wonderful it is that it's so warm, I just kept thinking to myself, and we're going to pay for it because it's too early in the season for it to be this warm. Well, we're paying for it yesterday and today. It's cold again, but it's supposed to be cold again because it's February. Oh, we will never figure the weather out, will we? At least we didn't have the severe weather that they had downstate. God blesses us in many kinds of ways, but we also put up with all sorts of things that come to us here on this earth, disasters and bad weather and all sorts of other kinds of things. But with God's help, we can make it through it all. Bundle up, keep warm, and have a blessed day.